think that the cultural cooperation between Italy and China is really outstanding. I mean, we have this beautiful exhibition here in Chongqing, but in Beijing we have two other exhibitions. One is on Pompeii, so ancient Greek and Roman art, and the other one is on modern design. I think that we are aware that we are heirs of two of the most ancient civilizations of mankind, but I think that this is also responsibility, because our cultural identity is shaped by the fact that we are heirs of these civilizations, but we need to know the past. So I think that exhibitions, the study of the past, is also very important for shaping our cultural identity nowadays. So I think that what is unique in the Chinese and Italian civilizations is that they are a mix of culture, of landscape, of traditions, but also of innovation, because our countries are very innovative. So we look at the past for, creating our future. And in this respect, I think that we have been very successful.